Hey guys, it's Don here from Novaspirit Tech and welcome back to the channel. And it's time to announce the winner of this Biqu B1 3D printer. So let's get started. If you guys haven't seen the original video on the review of this 3D printer, I'll leave a link to the top left corner. And I will also leave a comment on the top post on that video saying the giveaway is over, as well as on this video as well. Now I'm running this website called Comment Picker that will actually go through all the comments, no duplicates or anything, and I will run the winner and read the comment. If it does have a UK or anything in there, like I said, I'll just skip that one and then I'll move on to the next. And if you are the winner, there's two ways to reach out to me. One is through email, and two, it is through Discord. So we have a way to verify everything. Okay, so I'm at the website Comment Picker, and I'm going to paste my URL right over here and make sure that I filter out all the duplicates and include the replies. And yeah, I'm just going to check if there's anything that I need, but it seems okay. Now I'm going to grab the comments. And the last I checked, I think I had 205 or 206 comments. And if you filter it out, it comes out to about 201. And here we go. Starting, and let's see. Neo Owns, congratulations, you have just won this printer. Again, I told you how to reach out to me. Just when you're done, reach out to me. But let's check out your YouTube channel. Let's see. You don't really have a YouTube channel. You uploaded 2 videos before. You've been around since 2006, which is quite some time. But yeah, remember to reach out to me. And that is it, guys. Again, I want to thank each and one of you for entering this giveaway and also checking out this printer. I will be doing a lot more stuff with SaneSmart in the future as well. So remember to be subscribed to the channel and also hit that little notification bell so you know when that video is going to be out. And as I say in my nerd cave, hack till it hurts.